Dear students, today we discuss on the next topic electric field and electric field intensity. हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में कुलाम्स लॉ को देखा था। आज हम उसी कड़ी में हमारे इस ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन के प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप सभी का स्वागत करते हुए एक नए टॉपिक के साथ हम चर्चा करेंगे। और नया टॉपिक हमारा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है। काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है, आप वीडियो को पूरा देखें और आपका कंसेप्ट क्लियर होगा कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी दोनों एक जैसी हैं या डिफरेंट है। सो वी डिस्कस ऑन द टॉपिक ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी, these are of two different things. Electric field be the space. It is an electrical property associated with each point in this space when charge is present in any form. It means that this is the space, here a point charge placed, then it is the property of this space when charge present inside it. If there is no charge, there is no any electric field. Due to the presence of charge, this space has a definite electrical property. That property is known as the electric field. In another way, we can see that it is the space around the charge in which its effect can be experienced by any unit test charge. We can say that here one charge is present. Let us consider this charge is present here, and another unit test charge is here, that is also positive unit test charge. This charge produces an electrical effect around it in whole of this space. In 3 dimensions, its electrical property distribute in this space due to the presence of this charge. If another charge, a unit test charge placed inside it, then its effect noted on this charge. This experienced an electrostatic force due to the presence of this in this space. If this charge present here, then it do not experience any electrical force or in an electrical effect due to the presence of this charge. So we can say that at this position it is just outside the field. Here we can say that it is inside the field. Field is nothing. Electric field is the space in which an electrical property generated due to the presence of this charge. So electric field is the space only. It is not anything, it is only space. But we want to calculate the strength of electric field at a particular point in this space. Point to point value of electric field intensity and strength of field may be vary. So we know very well that in Coulomb's law, force of interaction that is proportional to square of distance, mean force, electrical force be the function of time, then electric field intensity also be the function of time. So by varying the distance, value of electric field strength also may vary. So what is electric field intensity? Electric field intensity is a physical quantity. It is used to measure the electrical strength at a particular point in the space. Mean physical quantity mean that can be measured. So electric field strength can be measured at a particular point. So that quantity is known as the electric field intensity. Electric field intensity at a point, it is the value, it represents the value at a particular point, not whole of this space, particular point. It is the strength of electric force at a particular point in this space where force experienced by unit positive charge. Unit positive charge, I mean test charge, this is unit positive charge placed at that point. We place this point, this positive charge placed at this point A, placed at this point B, placed at point this C, placed at point D. These are the different position of this unit test charge. So electric field is the whole of the electrical effect. Mean we can say that this is also inside the field, this is also inside field, this is also inside field, this is also inside field, because they lie in the space in which its effect to be noted. But basic difference is at point A, at point B, at point C and at point D, there are different value of electric field strength. So at the variation in the point and the variation in distance, the magnitude of electric effect to be changed, and at a particular point value of electric field strength is known as electric field intensity. So electric field intensity be the physical quantity that can be measured. So we have some property and some basic things we write here about the electric field intensity that are not connected to electric field, because electric field is not a physical quantity. So in question generally asked, find out the electric field, it mean that electric field intensity, because electric field intensity can be measured or to be noted at a particular point. So electric field intensity be the vector quantity. First important thing is that electric field not a physical quantity, so we do not discuss about this. Only we are discussing about electric field intensity, that is physical quantity. Electric field intensity be the vector quantity. It means that it has a magnitude as well as direction. It can be represented with the help of magnitude as well as their direction. Second, the formula of electric field intensity be F upon Q. F is electrostatic force, force upon this is the charge. So electrostatic force per unit charge is known as the electric field intensity. That is the very important formula. It has unit, this force have the unit Newton and Coulomb be the unit of charge. Here force upon charge we write their unit Newton per Coulomb, but in different form. We also write this unit in the form of voltmeter also. That is also the representation of this. Next, it has the dimension formula. We easily calculate this dimension formula with the help of this formula. We write as, let us consider E is equal to force upon charge. We know very well dimension formula of force is M1 L1 T minus 2, and dimension formula of charge is AT, and rearrange this M1 L1 T minus 3 A minus 1. We get in this way. This is the way to calculate or to find out the dimension formula of electric field intensity, and we write as. So dimension formula of electric field intensity is M1 L1 T minus 3 A minus 1. It may be positive, negative or 0. It has all value. 0 mean there is no presence of charge, mean unit as charge outside the field, electric field intensity be 0. If it is the positive charge, then electric field intensity be the outside, and if we want to note the electric field intensity due to negative charge, that is in inward direction. These are the direction. So this is the something about electric field and electric field intensity. Now our topic is electric field intensity due to a point charge. Here we discuss about the electric field intensity due to a point charge, as the derivation of this is as. Our topic is electric field intensity due to a point charge. We want to calculate value of field strength at a given point due to a point charge. So let us consider this is the point charge. Here we placed a unit positive charge. This is point charge, and in static form this is the point P where we want to calculate field strength due to this charge. It is r distance away from this point charge. It is r distance away from this charge. इस वीडियो को पूरा देखें, आपको तभी समझ में आएगा. मैं बार बार कहता हूं, अगर किसी ने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो वो सब्सक्राइब कर दे, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करो इसको, ताकि सब बच्चों को इसका बेनिफिट हो सके। तो ये पॉइंट जो हमने लिया, ये इससे r डिस्टेंस पे हम इस पॉइंट पे फील्ड कैलकुलेट करना चाहेंगे। ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज के कारण जो आपका इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स निकालना पड़ेगा यहाँ, और इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक यहाँ हम जो पॉजिटिव टेस्ट चार्ज लेते हैं, इसलिए इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स की डायरेक्शन आउटसाइड हो जाएगी। दिस विल बी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स एट पॉइंट P. Here we write as, let us take a point charge positive Q. Let us take a point positive Q in space or in vacuum. We want to calculate electric field intensity at point P, that is small r distance away from positive charge, away from point charge, as shown in diagram. Formula of electric field intensity, E is equal to F upon Q. E is equal to F upon Q. We write here as E is equal to F upon Q. It means that we find out the value of electrostatic force at this point. So electrostatic force at point P due to given point charge. So F is equal to K Q naught upon R square. This is the formula, Coulomb's law. First equation, Q naught be unit positive charge placed at point P. So here K is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught in vacuum. This is equation second. Put value of F from equation second to equation first. Put value of force from here to equation first, then E is equal to, value of F is this, K Q naught upon R of square divided by Q naught. This is Q naught. Q naught cancel to Q naught. Then our answer is K Q upon R square. This is the formula of electric field intensity at that point. In vector form we write as, in vector form E is equal to K q upon r whole of square r cap. This is in vector form. Here direction of electric field intensity, we write direction of electric field intensity, direction of electric field intensity at point P is in the direction of electrostatic force. Mean it has the same direction as the direction of electrostatic force. And graph, we draw the graph as, I will explain here the graph. Graph we represent here as like this. We take, it is the origin, it is the distance r, here electric field intensity in upward, and it is like this. Keep in mind E inversely proportional to r of square. Keep in mind that this graph never touch to the x or y axis. Mean graph is in decreasing order, but here this graph do not touch the vertical line and also do not touch the horizontal line, because at r is equal to 0, if we put in this formula r is equal to 0, then E became infinity. So infinity can never be represented here. I explain as, if r is equal to 0, then E is equal to infinity, or infinity value never represent on this graph. In another way, if E is equal to infinity, then r is equal to, if E is equal to 0, then r is equal to infinity. So electric field intensity start to decrease continuously, but it became 0 at infinite distance, and infinite distance never be expressed on this graph. This is the topic, important topic, electric field intensity due to point charge. We take a point charge, we want to calculate electric field intensity at point P. Point P lie in the field, P point lie in the field, and it is r distance away from the discharge, and here a unit positive charge q naught placed at the point P. Then we write down this some theory as like this. Let us take a point charge plus q in vacuum. We want to calculate electric field intensity at point P, that is r distance away from point charge as shown in diagram. Formula of electric field intensity, we know, we write here, we know that electric field intensity be the E is equal to F upon Q naught. This is the formula of electric field intensity by definition. So first we want to calculate electric force between these two charges. Here is also charge, and here at point P we consider another charge. Then force is kq1 q2 upon r square by using Coulomb law, or electrostatic force. This is Coulomb law, and put this value here, and we get E is equal to q naught, cancel to q naught, and remaining part is kq upon r square. In vector form we write it as E is equal to kq upon r square, or r cap. R cap is here, r cap represent unit vector. R cap is nothing, it is the unit vector, and direction of electric field intensity at point P is in the direction of electrostatic, or in the same direction of electrostatic force. And graph between E and R is this. This is like in this way. Do not touch the graph to the E axis, or r axis, mean vertical or horizontal, both lines do not touch by this graph. In this way we can solve this topic. You read this and